Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna go ahead and unbox and present my new gaming monitor to you guys. This is going in my setup in my streaming and gaming room. Something temporary until I hopefully upgrade to a better monitor. Alright, check it out. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what this baby looks like on my desk. It's my first time actually buying a gaming monitor, and it's much heavier than a regular monitor, that's for sure. Okay. Alright, so we have the monitor here. Gives you the specs right here of the monitor. Height, swiveled, tilt. Okay. And under it comes with, let's see, actually it comes with a DisplayPort cable. It's neat. What else? Comes with an HDMI cable. Power brick. And the base right here. Goes on the top of the desk. Perfect position for it. I'm not sure which way it goes. Probably think this way. Oh, perfect. Wow. What a perfect fit. The specs here. Full HD, 1 millisecond response time, 144 Hertz refresh rate, and all the other stuff made for gaming. Can't wait to see how it works. You could just tell the amount of work ASUS put in this monitor from all the details. Just everything's so high quality. Really beefy too. DVI port, HDMI, DisplayPort. Got a microphone and headphone jack. Alright, let's go ahead and put it up on the base, see how it looks on the desk. Probably need it though. Comes with a support CD also. Probably won't need it. Most likely I'll download the drivers online if drivers are needed. As you can see, cables thread easily through its cable management port right here. All you gotta do is just pop off this back plastic right here. Creates enough space for you to be able to hook up your cables. Oh, it's really sharp actually. Let's see. Of course, no signal, nothing's connected to it. But I'll probably do a screen review on this soon. It's like this desk was just made for it. If you guys know where I got this desk from, just go ahead and check out my previous video that I made about it. Went ahead and put it together. Got it for only 50 bucks from Walmart. Wow, it just looks great on there. Swivels up and down, tilts. One thing I noticed though are these gaps here between the panels and gaps right here. You can feel it's pushing in a little. I don't know. I mean, other than that, everything seems fine. So you can see the vents they put in the back so the screen doesn't overheat. Just overall, brilliant design. ASUS did a great job with this, and at the price range, you really can't beat it. All right, can't wait to test this out and show you guys how it works. If you guys liked what you see and like to see more unboxing, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.